Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making profiteroles. I have a medium pot, and in it I have 1 cup of milk, and to this I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll take this to the stove and melt it all together. I have our milk, butter, and sugar. I'm going to turn the heat to medium-high, melt it all together, and let it come to a boil. The milk is just to a boil. We're going to turn the heat to low and put in 1 cup of flour and give this a mix. Now into our dough, we're going to incorporate eggs 1 at a time. So we're going to crack it right in. And with our wooden spoon, we're just going to mix it right in. Now the dough will fall apart, but then come back together. Now it's a lot of work to do with a wooden spoon, so you can also do it with your hand mixer. And when the egg is incorporated, add another. You see how it's gotten nice and sticky and gooey. That's exactly what we want. I have a disposable piping bag and a star tip. I'm just going to trim the end of the bag. I have a baking tray that I've lined with parchment paper. I'm just going to pipe out my cream puffs. And these are ready to bake. Our profiteroles are just out of the oven. They've gotten nice and golden brown, and they've puffed up nicely. I have a toothpick, and I'm gonna go around. I'm just going to give them a poke to help release the steam from inside so they won't be soggy. I have some of our cream puffs, and I filled them with different fillings. This one I filled with fresh whipped cream, and this one I filled with some nice apple compote, and this one I squeezed in some pastry cream. You could also cut them in half and fill them with ice cream too. And there you have it. That's how you make profiteroles. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.